In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to insert an announcement bar into your Wix website utilizing a third-party widget site. Our journey begins by visiting a third-party widget site, such as Elfsight or Common Ninja. Now, these platforms offer a variety of widgets for different functions, but we are specifically interested in the announcement bar widget. Once you have located the announcement bar widget, the next step is to customize it. Now, customization could mean anything from changing the colors to match your website's theme, adjusting the size to fit perfectly, to even writing your customized message. Spend some good time here carefully selecting and designing the right look and feel for your announcement bar. After customization comes the critical part. That is obtaining the HTML code snippet that the widget provides. This snippet will serve as a passageway to integrate the announcement bar into your website. Now, once you have the HTML code snippet ready, it's time to return to the Wix editor. To add the announcement bar to your web page, you'll need to kick off by adding an element to the page. There is a simple way to do this. Just look for the plus icon marked as plus, and clicking it should allow you to add an element. The next stage in this process requires you to select from the option lists Embed Code and then Embed HTML. At this juncture, what we are essentially going to do is to embed the HTML code snippet that we got from the widget. You're probably wondering where to paste the code snippet. Well, simply paste the code snippet in the HTML Elements code window, and voila! Once you have successfully added the code, make sure to click Update. Post-updating, you can then adjust the position and size of the HTML element on your page. Fiddle around with it. Position it where you think it's most eye-catching or most suitable. After all, an announcement bar should be visible and conveniently placed to catch the user's attention. When you're satisfied with how the bar looks and sits, it's time to hit Preview. This gives you a sneak peek of how the bar appears live. If everything looks good, you're just a step away from making it real. Go ahead and publish your site. Now, only after publishing, your site will display the announcement bar live. Adding an announcement bar on Wix using a third-party widget can seem complex at first, but with this guide, it should be a breeze. Commence with exploring, customizing, and get your announcement across effectively. Happy editing!